7 passive income streams nobody ever talks about, so every finance bro on TikTok is still yelling the same 3 lines. Dividend aristocrats. House hack. Rights. Great, if you've already got 6 figures collecting dust in your checking account. For the rest of us, that advice is like being told to just buy a yacht when you're figuring out how to keep your car insured. Today we're skipping the greatest hits playlist and digging into 7 cash streams that hardly ever trend. No MBA, no rich uncle, no Lambo required. Once they're set up, they keep dripping money while you sleep, hike, or rewatch The Office for the 9th time. Share and subscribe. Let's continue. When's the last time your neighbor bragged about the royalties on a sticker of a raccoon DJ? Exactly. That quiet is your edge. Section 1. Peer-to-peer lending. Instead of letting cash rot at 0.4% in savings, open an account at Lending Club or Prosper and slice your money into dozens of personal loans. Borrowers pay you back with interest. Think 5% to 11% a year. Set a couple filters: credit score above 680, debt to income under 20%, and the robots do the rest. Every morning you'll wake up to tiny payments hitting your account like digital rain. Spread the risk across 200 notes and even a few late borrowers won't sink the ship. You're the bank now. Section 2. Vending machine business. 1 refurbished snack machine off Craigslist, $1,200. 1 break room full of hungry forklift drivers. Free if you can charm a warehouse manager. 10 minutes of restocking every Friday, $200 worth of chips at wholesale, $400 in sales by Wednesday night, boom, $200 profit. 10 machines equals a quiet grand a week. Gurus ignore this play because they can't upsell you on a $1,200 machine. Their loss. Section 3. Buy existing websites. Forget starting a blog from scratch. Buy one that's already sweating money. Jump on Flippa or Empire Flippers, filter for sites older than 2 years and pulling at least $500 a month. They sell for 30 to 36 times monthly profit, so $15,000 gets you a proven earner. Spend a weekend tightening SEO and the checks keep rolling. The previous owner already did the brutal Google dance, you just collect rent. Section 4. Silent partner in local businesses. Your town is packed with laundromats, taco trucks, and yoga studios whose owners are great at washing clothes or twisting into pretzels, and terrible at spreadsheets. Offer 5K 20K for a 10% slice and stay out of the day-to-day. Your cash buys a new washer or a Facebook ad campaign. Your cut shows up in the quarterly P&L. It's like private equity, minus the Manhattan rent and cold brew on tap. Section 5. Renting out personal items. The DeWalt nail gun gathering dust. Listed on Fat Llama for $20 a day. Add a bike, a drone, a spare DSLR, suddenly you've got a micro-rental empire. Week 3 rolls around and the same nail guns pulled in $140 while you were binge-watching Succession. No spreadsheets, no forecasting, just stuff you already own turning into cash. Section 6. Renting unused spaces. Empty corner of the garage? Turn it into storage via Neighbor. Parking spot by the stadium? Rent it on Spot Hero every game day. Got a fence facing the road? Slap up a Carvertise billboard ad. Every square foot you're not using is a tiny oil well waiting for a match. Tenants pay monthly. You provide access and maybe sweep the leaves once in a while. Section 7. Print on demand and AMP. Licensing. Upload a goofy cat in aviator shades to Printful, sync it with an Etsy storefront, and pocket $7 to $12 every time someone buys the mug. You never touch inventory. Go bigger. License the same art to a kitchenware company for a 5% royalty. One Saturday in Photoshop can turn into apron, journal, and cutting board cash for years. Design once, collect forever. If even one of these made you think, wait, I could actually do that, smash the like so the algorithm gets the hint. Tell me in the comments which stream you're testing first. Want my vetting sheet for buying websites? Links in the description. And hey, subscribe. Next week we're talking side hustles that pay daily, because waiting 2 weeks for a paycheck is so last century. You just got 7 income streams the finance gurus ignore, mostly because they can't sell you a course about them. Pick one, take the tiniest step today, then let the quiet cash roll in while everyone else keeps arguing about index funds.